What is NumPy fancy indexing explained simply? Have you ever wanted to grab several elements from a NumPy array without having to pull them one by one? If so, you are in for a treat with NumPy fancy indexing. This technique allows you to select multiple elements from an array at once, making your data manipulation tasks much more efficient. Let's start with the basics. In Python, arrays are collections of elements arranged in a specific order. Each element has a position known as an index. With simple indexing, you use a single integer to access one element, like using or to get the element at position 3. Fancy indexing takes this a step further. Instead of just one index, you can provide a list or an array of indices, such as 2, 5, 7. When you do this, NumPy returns all the elements at those positions in one go. For example, let's say you have an array defined as it is equal to NP. Array 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. If you use fancy indexing like A1, 3, you will get back the elements 20, 40. This method is not only quicker but also cleaner than accessing each element separately. Fancy indexing is also handy with multidimensional arrays. You can specify both row and column indices to select specific elements across rows and columns. If you have a two-dimensional array called X, using X0, 1, 2, 3, will select the elements located at the positions 0, 2, and 1, 3. There are some key points to remember about fancy indexing. First, it uses arrays or lists of integers as indices. Second, it returns a new array containing the selected elements. The shape of this new array depends on the shape of the index arrays you provide, not the original array. Fancy indexing can also handle repeated indices and works well with multidimensional indexing. This technique is particularly useful for data analysis and manipulation in Python. It allows you to quickly retrieve or modify multiple elements without the need for loops. This aligns perfectly with Python's goal of writing clear and efficient code when dealing with numerical data. In summary, fancy indexing in NumPy is an effective way to select multiple elements from arrays by passing arrays or lists of indices. This method makes handling data faster and more convenient compared to simple indexing. So, the next time you are working with arrays in Python, remember the power of fancy indexing to simplify your tasks.